started already. Oh, sorry.
Hey guys, welcome to Full Electric Elevators. We got another smoke alarm unboxing. Nathan, any comments?
It's a P40-tastic unboxing.
It was a bad pun. Okay, so what Nathan basically means by that is that this is gonna be one of my last P4010 wireless unboxings besides one other one that I have to get, but I only got 2 out of the 3 of what's supposed to be something awesome. Anyone know what they are? I'll give you 10 seconds to guess.
10, 9, 8.
No one cares. We'll just get right into it. There you go. So, here we are. To finally, what I've been looking to get for such a long time. This one right here, I've been looking for such a long time. And yes, I'm repeating myself. I don't really care. This is a P4010 ACSCO-W. Obviously, these are the bridge ones, and I'm not aware of Ethan having one of these. And yes, it's a little sticky under here, but I don't care about that. But yeah, I paid like $17 for this on eBay. Really good price if you ask me. And yeah, really good deal. While the original ones are always like 60, 70 bucks on eBay alone, like a lot of the other ones. There's one that are like $30 right now, but hey, half $30 is still really good. And this one right here, I actually threw in as a bonus. This is a P4010L ACS-W. So this is smoke only with the light on it, obviously. So I have the LDCS-W and the DCSCO-W. But I basically got the bridge versions of those. I didn't get the bridge version of the DCS-W, but that will be in a future video. Probably be in another large unboxing, I imagine. So, because I really have not much to add to that one when I have this and the ACSO. I'll just start with this one because I have it. So, yeah, it's got nice packaging. Looks very similar to... It's got, like, the same kind of design as the LDCS box, except it's, like, it has, like, more black than white. It's a, blue-colored box. Or blue Musa. Sorry, I had to. Nathan was saying something about a blue Musa the other day, and I don't know what he means by that. But this is probably going to be one of the more interesting P4010s I'm going to get. So yeah, here we go. Let's see. So. Yeah, I got 2 bridge units, and I'm going to explain why in a moment. So, right here is the, what's it called? Here are the manuals.
PC manual.
Quick start guide with the little tool, which all of mine broke except for one. Had like 2 others that broke. Here's the connector. It's very straight. Look how straight that is. That's probably the straightest Kidde connector I've ever gotten. And right here is the alarm itself. The base. So here... Ooh. Why does it feel more loose than typical? It just feels... This button feels more loose than my LDCS. It just feels different for some reason. And voila, take this dust thing off. It's not really a dust cover. I wish they supplied better dust covers since they're 10-year battery units, but hey, there's a way to turn them off at least. So, I don't have my screwdriver with me, and besides I don't feel like taking out the quick start tool thing, so I'm just going to twist on its base.
Ready to connect. Follow quick start instructions.
So, I'm actually gonna leave this here, so that way we could see them all go off at the same time. So we're gonna test, we're gonna test this one with the other, we're gonna hook it up. And, yeah, we're just gonna leave this off to the side, so we'll look at those later. So, we'll take out, oh, whoops, I bumped my tripod. We'll take out the ACSCO-W. I don't think Ethan has this one. I'm not sure. I have to look back at his videos. So this is pretty much the same as the other one, but it's just it doesn't have the light because it's a combination, which I still will never understand. Again, another very straight. This one's straighter. It appears to be. Oh wait, no, never mind. It's not.
And like, why don't they have the P40-10 LDCSCO?
Or LACSCO.
Yeah.
I don't know why there's no whatever what you might call it, the whatever it is, escape light, smoke, and carbon monoxide alarms. Here are your warning. So here are your warning carbon monoxide stickers. Quick start guide again, same as the other, so I'm not gonna bother. The manual.
Please see manual.
Alarm itself. Basically the same exact thing, same base. This is actually one of the alarms I was really looking forward to getting for my 2-year special, but I just didn't get it with the rest. So here it is.
Nice.
I don't know what that green thing is, but the menu date is December 21st of 2020. I forgot to check the other one. 2019 April. Oh, almost Jaden. That was one day before Jaden's birthday.
Oh.
Jaden's 9th birthday. One day off.
That would be nice if you and they both would be on this call.
Oh, okay. It turned on anyways.
Ready to connect. Follow quick start instructions.
Okay, so now it's time we could hook these up. Watch how easy it is to connect these things. These are very nice.
Searching for other devices. Success. Now connected.
Now connected.
That easy. I really like the way these things connect. Much more simple.
Two. Devices connected.
Gotta wait for that to cancel out. Okay, now we're gonna test. Let me cover up both piezos.
Testing. This is very loud. Press now to cancel test.
And you can't cancel the test, which is nice.
5.
Oh, it took a while. Look at that.
3, 2.
Yeah, that was
One.
a long.
Alright, here we go. Let's watch the light.
Fire. Fire. Warning. Carbon monoxide. Test complete.
And there you go. Again, the light on these are pretty good. Alright, Ethan, if you're watching this right now, be prepared to be extremely satisfied. Here we go.
Searching for other device. Success. Now connected. Success. Now connected. Setup complete. 5 devices connected.
5 devices connected.
I want to hear 6 or the higher numbers. I want to get like 1 billion P40-10s and just... we'll do this one. These things are pretty quiet when you put tape on them, so that's good at least. So yeah, we got the 2 bridges, the 2 new ones down here, and then my 3 old ones.
3, 2.
Alright, let's watch them.
Fire. Warning. Carbon
Oh my god, why was that louder?
test complete.
When the 3 smoke only, it's just like, ba-doop. It was louder than I thought. That was funny. Now I want to hook up my other P40-10 I have here. So like, the ones on that one on the demo board, but that is for a future video. So, yeah. That was the P4010 ACSCO-W and the LACS-W. Hope you enjoyed this. And Nathan, you have any comments?
Nope.